Assalamu alaikum. My beloved students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, till now I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQA, it means short question answer, competency based from chapter 4, and it is going to revision class. Students, this is our lecture number 34. So last two classes we have finished short question answer 1 to 10 by 2 times. So today we will finish inshallah 11 to 15. Well, now see the question number 11. How many waqf sign are there? Write the name of any 4 waqf sign. My beloved students, here asking how many waqf sign are there, it means how many waqf sign are there in your textbook. So what is in your textbook? You will write that answer. So at first the answer is there are 9 waqf sign. So the remaining part of the question is answer is the name of any 4 of them are waqf tam, waqf lazim, waqf mutlaq and waqf jaiz. So students, without this you can write the another, for example waqf murakhas, waqf mujawaz, like that you can write. So you have to write according to the question, because in question they are asked 4 waqf sign you need to write. I hope you understood question number 11. Now question number 12. Which one is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran? Answer: Surah Kausar is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran. It is Makki surah and verses are 3 only. My beloved students, keep attention here. Kausar spelling K-A-U-T-H-E-R. So it can be uttering Kautar, but there is the tha in the Arabic word, that's why I written T-H-E-R. So if I pronounce the Arabic, so that will be Kauthar, Kauthar, because there is the tha letter. That's why I written there K-A-U-T-H-E-R. So if you want to write K-A-U-S-A-R, that's no problem. You can write that one also. So Surah Kausar is the smallest surah in the Holy Quran, and that's revealed Makkah, and there are 3 verses only. So question number 13 is nasal letters come from the base of the nose. What are they? I mean which letters the pronouncing will be from the base of the nose. So answer is they are mim and noon. This is connected to wajib gunna. Students, already we inform about the using of the mim and noon. If you get any tajdid above the noon or mim, then the pronouncing will be wajib gunna. I mean the sound will be come from the base of the nose. For example, inna, amma, lamma, anna, like that. So if you utter this word, then you can realize that. Now question number 14. How many vocal code letters are there? What are they? Answer is there are 6 vocal code letters. They are Hamza ha, Ain ha, Goin kha. My dear students, vocal code letters means which letters pronounced from the larynx, from the throat, from here. So there are only 6 letters that pronounce from the vocal cord, I mean from the throat. So that is Hamza ha, Ain ha and Goin kha. Now question number 15, last question for today. many topics related to Quran have been described in Tajweed. What are they? Answer is, they are makhraj, waqf, idgham, gunna, nun sakin, tanween, mim sakin, etc. So those can recite the Holy Quran, they know better about the Tajweed, because when they will try to recite the Holy Quran correctly, they must be informed about the Tajweed. And there are many of the topics about the Tajweed. There are nun sakin, tanween, there is the another parts, izhar, qalob, idgham, ikfa, and then mim sakin, the wajib gunna, the pronouncing the word of Allah, etc. So you have to follow that rules and regulation when you want to recite the Holy Quran. So that's all for today, my dear students, and this is the lecture number 34. I hope you understood, my beloved students. Keep practicing at home, and to abide by your parents, keep performing the 5 times prayer. See you next day, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.